Does GoDaddy use Proofpoint? Yes, GoDaddy partners with Proofpoint to provide advanced email security for its Microsoft 365 email services. This collaboration enhances protection against cyber threats such as spam, malware, and phishing attacks. 1. Advanced email security features. GoDaddy's advanced email security, powered by Proofpoint, offers several key features. Spam and malware protection identifies and blocks unwanted and harmful emails before they reach your inbox. Phishing attack defense detects and prevents attempts to steal sensitive information through deceptive emails. Email encryption ensures that outgoing emails containing sensitive information are encrypted, protecting data during transmission. Quarantine management allows users to review and manage emails flagged as suspicious, reducing the risk of false positives. 2. Accessing advanced email security. Users can access and manage their advanced email security settings through the Email and Office dashboard. Sign in, log into your GoDaddy account, and navigate to the Email and Office dashboard. Manage security settings. Select the Advanced Email Security section to customize filters, encryption policies, and other security features. 3. Customizing security filters. Administrators can create and edit filters to tailor email security policies. Email filters set criteria based on sender addresses, content, and other parameters to control email flow. Encryption policies define rules for automatically encrypting emails containing sensitive information.